kumu, kumu. The word kumu is often used in various contexts, such as assembling items, forming teams, and collaborating with others. It can describe both physical assembly and more abstract concepts like partnerships. This is primarily a verb, indicating actions of binding or joining. It is common in everyday conversation as well as in professional settings. Now, repeat after me. Kumu, kumu, kumu. The kanji in this word means assemble, association, or braid. This kanji is versatile and appears in many contexts where things come together or are arranged. For example, bangumi refers to a TV program, which is an assembled collection of episodes or segments. Another example is soshiki, meaning organization, indicating a structured group of people working together. Lastly, kumiai is an association or union, emphasizing the assembly of individuals or entities with a common purpose. Let's look at some natural ways in which kumu combines with other words. Please shadow them to improve memorization. チームを組む Form a team. チームを組むチームを組む手を組む Join hands. 手を組む手を組む腕を組む Fold arms. 腕を組む腕を組む計画を組んだ Made a plan. 計画を組んだ計画を組んだ組めない問題 Unsolvable problem. 組めない問題組めない問題会議を組もう Let's organize a meeting. 会議を組もう会議を組もうプログラムを組まない Don't schedule a program. プログラムを組まないプログラムを組まない愛を組んで started a society. 愛を組んで愛を組んで The most common alternatives of 組む include 構成する which is used when talking about composing something such as a team or work of art. 連携する is used in contexts where collaboration is emphasized, like teamwork or partnerships. Lastly, 編成する often refers to organizing or forming groups, such as a committee or task force. The most common antonyms of 組む include 分離する which indicates a process of separating or breaking up a group. 解散する is specific to disbanding established entities like clubs or organizations. Lastly, 孤立する refers to being isolated or alone, highlighting the absence of partnership or connection. Finally, let's practice the word 組む with some questions. Can you create a sentence where you form a team, チーム, to work on a project, プロジェクト? Think about teamwork. 私はチームを組んでプロジェクトに取り組みます。I form a team and work on the project. 私はチームを組んでプロジェクトに取り組みます。 私はチームを組んでプロジェクトに取り組みます。Can you make a sentence saying that you form a team, 組む with friends, 友達 to play soccer? Imagine your weekend plans. 私たちは友達と組んでサッカーをします。We form a team with friends and play soccer. 私たちは友達と組んでサッカーをします。私たちは友達と組んでサッカーをします。Can you give a sentence where you plan to form a group? 組む with classmates, クラスメート Think about your school projects. 私のクラスメートとグループを組む予定です。I plan to form a group with my classmates. 私のクラスメートとグループを組む予定です。私のクラスメートとグループを組む予定です。Can you create a sentence where he is composing, 組む a new piece of music, 楽曲 Think of the creative process. 彼は新しい楽曲を組み立てています。He is composing a new piece of music. 彼は新しい楽曲を組み立てています。彼は新しい楽曲を組み立てています。